Hello friends, welcome to my channel RJ Education. Today I am going to discuss about an important topic, that is sociology. So, in order to know about it, you have to watch the video till last. Sociology. The word sociology is an English word. The word sociology has been taken from the two words socio and logos. Soci is a Latin word whose meaning in a society, and logos is a Latin word whose meaning is science. In this way, the meaning of sociology is a science of society which studies human society. Auguste Comte is known as the father of sociology, who gave it the name of social physics. French philosopher Auguste Comte, known as the father of sociology. His book Positive Philosophy was published in 6 volumes between 1830 to 1840. In this book, he imagined a science which could study society. To this science, he gave the name of sociology. The study of origin and growth of sociology or any other subject is very important for the readers of that subject, because we can get the knowledge of related topics only by studying that subject. If we are not aware of the fact that from where it was started, how it developed, and which are its related topics and ideas, then how can we get more information about that subject? For example, most of the concern and issues of sociology date back to when the European society was undergoing changes or was going through the process of social change. That is why we want to study the concept of social change, which is a major concern of sociology. We need to look into the concept of industrialization and capitalism. With this, we will also come to know about colonialism. That's how India became a victim of colonialism. In this way, all the subjects are related with the origins and growth of sociology, and their study is quite very important. It is necessary for every social science, whether it is sociology or any other social science, to use special terms and concepts. It is so because there are certain concepts in every subject which expect related person. A layman hardly knows. He even hardly knows about the meaning of. So, if we need to get the knowledge of any subject, then it is necessary for us to get the knowledge of special terms and concept of that subject. Terminology is quite important for sociology, because this terminology, except this subject is required to use special terms and concepts to maintain a different existence and this terminology. Sociology as a science. Number 1. Sociology uses scientific methods. Sociology uses scientific methods for the studies of social science. Facts. These methods are historical method, comparative method, of case study method, experimental method, ideal type. Sociology uses all the steps of scientific method to find facts like all the natural science are using. The base of this method is scientific, and all these methods are used in sociology. Number 2. Sociology explains the causal effect relation. Sociology not only collects the facts, in fact, it also tries to know their causal effect relations. It not only tries to know that what is it is, but it also tries to know about why and how. It means that it tries to know about reasons and result of different facts. So on the basis of giving explanation of causal effect relations, we can call it a science. Sociology studies anything with objective. In sociology, any fact is observed without any basis. Sociology tries to study facts and phenomena with objective on ideas of reason. According to one's nature, man can be beast. His interests, habit, feelings can come in study, but sociology studies everything with objective and does not bring his liking and disliking in his study. Sociology uses laws and concepts. Sociology also uses scientific methods. The law and concept of sociology are universal, but because of changes in society, these are also changed with the passage of time. By using scientific methods, we can also study different times with which we can come know about social reality. That is why we can call it a science. Relation of sociology with history. History and sociology both study human society. History prepares a description of main events from ancient time till present human society. Actually, sociology is originate from history. In sociology, historical method is used which has been taken from history. History studies past time of human society. It prepares actual description of human society from ancient time till today. On the contrary to this, sociology studies present human societies. It studies social relationship, their forms, custom, traditions, institution, etc. With sociology also studies human cultural and different form of culture. From this description, it is clear that history studies every aspect of past society and sociology does take the same work in present society. Contribution of history to sociology. Sociology uses the materials given by history. Human society is the web of social relationships which are coming from ancient time. We have to go to past to study and understand them. Origins of life, ways, everything is a part of past. For their study, sociology takes help of history because we can get knowledge of social fact only from history. That is why to understand present we need the help of history. In sociology, comparative method is used to compare different institutions. For this, we need historical materials. Actually, the help of history is required, and sociology uses comparative method in their studies. Contribution of sociology to history. History also uses the method of sociology. Modern history has included some of the sociological concepts in its studies. That is why a new branch of social history has been developed. Social history is not the study of any king, but it is the study of evolution of any institution and the change which came in this. In this way, history borrows that the thing sociology which earlier it borrowed from philosophy. From this discussion it is clear that sociology and history study same type of subject matter but from the different point of view. These both are not opposite to each other but are complementary to each other. Scope of sociology. Sociology studies society and the society is the webs of social relationship. Society is in an unbreakable system. In its structure, many classes, group, association, school, institution, etc. are included. When we say sociology studies society, it means that sociology studies all group, institution, etc. After analyzing their origins and development, sociology tells us how it will affect social organization and disorganization. The existence of society based on the fact that how different parts of the society have changed themselves according to others. About this we can come to know about the study interactions of group. While studying society, sociologists also study non-societal issues such as the effect of physical environment on society. In this way, it can also study the relation of social and non-social issue. This list is very long. That's which things does it study. If we study the literature of sociology, we can say that different sociologists have different views about the scope of its subject matter to express the subject matter of sociology. Two different views are there. According to the thinker, one of the view, sociology is a special science. But according to the thinkers of the other view, sociology is a simple or general science. It means that the two opposite schools are there who have given the subject matter of sociology in their own way. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Hope you will get some knowledge from it and it will help you a lot. So friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.